Hi Eli, hi Ryder, hi crew. It's Aunt Rachel, great Aunt Rachel. And I'm going to read you a book called Little Bird's Bad Word. Look at this. It's by Jacob Grant. And this is for Dad, from whom I learned many words. That's funny. Little Bird and his papa were soaring high over the treetop. Lunch is extra wriggly today, said Papa. Look at that. Because they're eating a worm. Blark! Oh my gosh, look what happened. He dropped it. What color is that? Is that red? Let's see what happens. Blark, blark, blark. No, 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 said Papa. That's not a word for little birds. Little Bird was always happy to learn a new word. If you could see your Gigi and your great Grammy right now, they are captivated by this book too. A word for big birds. I can't wait to start using it. Little Bird knew his friends would love the new word. Look at little red bird. He's like, hey friends. Blark! Frog was startled. Look at that. Blark! Moose was speechless. Blark! Blark! Fish and Ladybug were not amused. Look at them. Blark! And Little Bird's friend Turtle. Does Turtle look like he liked the bad blark word? Look at little bird in the woods all by himself. Looks like it's raining. And he's just saying bad words by himself in the woods. Do you know any bad words? Little Bird did not know what to do. This is bad. Could this new word be bad? I've been using a bad word? He hadn't flown far when he heard Papa's voice. Oh, poor little bird. Look at him. He's sad. He thinks he's saying a bad word. I think he might be. Little Bird means well. He's learning that words can be hurtful, said Papa. I'm sorry, everyone. Very sorry. That was all Little Bird needed to hear. He knew just the word to make things right. Ooh. I wonder what that word could be. See him? And there's his daddy bird right there. Sorry! Look. He's saying sorry to all his friends. Sorry. Turtle liked this word much better. See? Oh, look at his best friend. And look at the worm. Oh, is that the worm from the beginning? Oh, I bet it might be. Guess what? Blark. All right. That's all we have. Love you guys. Adios, amigos.